Hey guys, welcome. In this one I will show you how to generate a QR code for Google review. So guys, in order to do this, just make sure to firstly start your first Google business. So I already have mine set up. So you do this from the business.google.com, pretty simple. You just press on start now and continue. As you can see, this is my test business right over here. So pretty much guys, when you create your first business, when you go to Google and type in Google Business, you'll actually see your Google Business instantly because, well, this all is in the Google ecosystem, so it's pretty easy to find. As you can see now, I am in my test business right over here, and my business is actually in the top. I'm just not showing you because of the privacy purposes. And guys, as you can see, we have under reviews a little button, Get Reviews. Press on it. So in here, this is your QR code. So in order to share it, it's actually pretty simple. You don't have to generate it yourself. Google already does it for you. And the only thing that you need to do is right click and save image as. Okay, and this is our QR code saved as a PNG file that we can just open up like this. And you can now share this QR code somewhere on your website or something, or in your store. So anywhere you wish, this is your QR code that you can now use. So just pretty much save it and you're done. Enjoy guys. If this helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.